over 14. And Paul Casey.
Benny! Benny!
3 over par today.
Benny! What are you doing? What are you doing, Benny? Benny, hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Want to play?
And the levels being right and left. Really the way the angle of this repair to hold back us in this uphill should turn right to left to stop in this way. Means we're really ready to break that pressure. Look for it. And that's going to be a nasty little tester there. And back over to 17.
For Stephen Ayers has the shot forward. Can Perry Heine will make his.
What do you got? You got my glove?
Supposed to be ready to play. Well, he could